In this video I'm going to show you how to clean printhead of your HP OfficeJet 200 mobile printer. So first step is to switch on the printer and go to the display panel. On the setup, click OK and then go to the tools, press OK again. Select the first option, clean printhead. So click OK and it will start the cleaning process. So it's going to take some time, so we just have to wait for the cleaning to finish. So it's going to print the print quality diagnostic page, and that will give you the information regarding the printhead cleaning. So we can see one of the color is not showing up and other colors are working properly. So we can go to the printer display panel. There is no improvement in the print quality, then you can click on the continue and then it will go to the second level of cleaning. So we are going to press OK on that, and if everything appears normal, you just cancel the process and start printing normally. So you can clearly see the result is same. Again, the light cyan color is not working, and to make it work, either we have to replace the ink cartridge or we have to continue the process. So there is a third level and we can click OK to continue for that. So that was the last level of cleaning. So there are total 3 levels of cleaning, and we can still see one of the color is missing and all other colors are working properly. That means we need to replace the ink cartridge, and this was just a setup ink cartridge, so it always has a low ink. So once you get a new ink cartridge, it should be working properly. Mostly this thing happen if the print head gets dry. So this way we can do the printhead cleaning using different levels of cleaning. Thanks for watching.